Hello and welcome to Nindani.com's YouTube channel. My name is Fayaz. Many times in life, before we have to take up any big decisions, we always look out for some kind of universal signal, some kind of symbol which will signify the fact that our idea or our process or the path probably that we want to choose is actually the right path. And many times we look out for some divine intervention to give us some kind of guidance, some kind of light. And this video is all about that, because in this video we'll talk about the 5 symbols or the 5 signals or the 5 signs which are basically telling you that it's high time now for you to start your entrepreneurship journey. So without further ado, let's get to the point. The number one signal that you will notice that you are actually now ready to start up your entrepreneurship journey is that now you're thinking about it way too much than the usual time that you used to think about it. You're thinking about it almost like every day now, and almost by whatever you're doing. It can be, you can be probably driving, you're on your way to work, you're on your way to maybe from work to back home, and whatever you're doing, irrespective of what the task is, you're on your subconscious always are constantly thinking about new ideas. You're constantly thinking about the revenue streams. You're constantly thinking about how people are making money. Even if you're observing something weird on the street, maybe you're on the way to office and you might have noticed any particular building or maybe any particular kind of business that has opened up, and you're now curious to know what is their business model, how are they generating revenue, how are they marketing it, how are they promoting it, or if you notice any kind of interesting new advertisement campaign on television, you might be able to understand and figure out that how intelligent this particular advertisement is. How are they tapping on the subconscious, or how are they tapping on the thinking abilities of the customers? And these all things are now seeming exciting to you. And that means that you are now mentally prepared for it, because you are also understanding how entrepreneurship works, how marketing works, how all these kind of different campaign works, and how different kinds of people make different kinds of revenue, and how they have multiple sources of income as well in order to make their business a sustainable model. The second sign is that you are a passionate person. If at all you are now getting passionate about the idea of starting up your own business, because you are very well aware about the fact that what are the risks associated with business, what are the different kind of challenges that you might have to face, what are the different kinds of adversities that you might have to face initially, because not from the very first day you'll be able to generate revenue. You will have to struggle for a bit in order to start seeing some kind of revenue in your business. And to do that, are you mentally prepared for it? Are you passionate enough to still follow your dream, irrespective of whether it will fetch you money or not? If at all you are, then it's high time that you take your passion to the next level and register your business so that you can scale it up and blow it out of proportion. The third sign is that if at all you are a motivated person, then definitely you should take your business to the next level, because entrepreneurship is a lonely journey. You will not have a lot of people who will be encouraging you or motivating you in the initial days. There might be people who might discourage you, who might tell you to go back to the regular life. Why are you taking this risk? Why are you wasting all this money? Why are you wasting your time? And if at all, irrespective of all these kind of criticism, all these kind of naysayers, are you still able to motivate yourself every single day? Not just yourself, but maybe your team also eventually. Then you should definitely go ahead and walk on this path of entrepreneurship, because you will have to stay motivated every single day. Even if you are running a startup, even if tomorrow you have a multi-crore business, even if you have a large cap company, you will have to motivate yourself, because you are the captain of this ship. You are the person who's leading it from the front. So you will not have a lot of people to guide you, because you are the person who's guiding everyone else. So you have to motivate yourself every single day, irrespective of what your mood is, irrespective of whether you had a fight with your family members, irrespective of whether you are feeling lazy. Whatever the situation is, you have to motivate yourself. And if at all you can do it, then definitely you should walk on this path of entrepreneurship. The fourth sign that you should start your entrepreneurship journey is that you feel stuck at your job. Even if you are working very, very hard, and even if you're getting rewards and recognition in your organization, you're still feeling that you're not able to grow in your career. There is some kind of a glass ceiling above your hierarchy, above your role, which is not allowing you to go up. It can be, even if you are a homemaker, you might be feeling that, irrespective of how hard I'm working at home, I'm not enjoying this housewife wala role. I want to, do something else for myself. Even if you are a student who are still feeling that, I'm working very hard in this particular kind of education that I'm doing, that I'm pursuing, but still I feel that I can do better in this. I can do much more better with my life. If at all you have these kind of feelings in your head, then definitely this is a sign. This is a sign that you should take these kind of feelings and symbols seriously, and then you should start escalating your process of becoming an entrepreneur. And last but definitely not the least, the sign that is now telling you that it is high time you start your entrepreneurship journey is that you feel that you can build your own team. If at all you have friends around you who you might be thinking that you know this particular person has this kind of skill. You might have a friend who is good in finance. You might have a friend who's good in marketing. You might have a friend who is good in maybe editing videos. You might have a friend who is very well connected and who has like a lot of contacts. You can probably build up a team together. You can probably build up a digital media company tomorrow. You can probably build up any kind of service-based industry tomorrow, and you can use all these kind of skill sets of your different friends, and together, if at all you have this feeling that, you know what, we can build a team together, and instead of working for our respective organizations, our respective companies, why don't we start our business together? If at all you have these kind of emotions and feelings that are driving inside you, that are thriving inside you, then definitely you should take all these kind of signs seriously and then take the next step of becoming an entrepreneur. So if you want to learn more about how to develop your entrepreneurship better, how to start the right kind of business, how to choose the right kind of idea, how to go through the initial phases of building up your business, you should definitely download the Financial Freedom app. There we have made more than 55 plus courses which are available in 6 different languages, where we are talking about business, career building, farming and personal finance. And definitely you will enjoy the how to start a business course that has been one of the highly rated courses in our app. If you want to learn more about it, you can download the Financial Freedom app. The link of this app is provided in the description box and also on the top comment. And if you like this video, make sure you like it and also share it with your friends and family, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon as well. My name is Fayaz and you're watching IndianMoney.com.